Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nexx X-Com 2 Bluetooth motorcycle helmet intercom system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the intercom is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not connecting or pairing with your devices, or if you're having any kind of issues where it keeps disconnecting, you're having problems with the sound, anything like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. And if you've already tried a fault reset with the fault reset button, we can go to the next step and reset the entire device. Now you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off the device, including its pairing history and everything like that. But which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just set this up on a new helmet, on a new phone, etc., you just want to get a fresh start like it were a new device, this will restore it to how it was when it was a new device. All we need to do if we want to do this is go ahead and we're going to come in and press the center button for 12 seconds. After that 12 seconds, we'll hear a double beep and we will hear the intercom say configuration menu. Once it says configuration menu, we're going to come in and tap the minus button twice, tap, tap, at which we will hear it say factory reset. Now, once we hear it say factory reset, we have 5 seconds to confirm the factory reset. So to confirm it, within 5 seconds, we're going to come in and press the middle button, at which point it will say resetting, goodbye, it will turn off, and it will be reset to its factory default settings.